Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm super excited to share with you that Green Lane Masjid is having its first Umrah trip, and all of you are invited. Well, at least those of you that can fill the spaces, because there's a few spaces left. You will have guided 5-star tours, and inshallah ta'ala there will be imams with you. Myself, I will be there along the way. Before we even go to Mecca and Medina, we will have a training course right here in the masjid where you can come and learn of the rituals of Umrah. You can ask questions and properly prepare yourself before you even embark on this memorable journey. And while you're there, you'll be learning about the Prophet's seerah, and you'll be learning it exactly where it happened. It is a chance to get closer to Allah, to get away from all the busy city life and work, and have 10 days for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Please come and join us, inshallah. There are a few places left. I hope to see you there. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.